Good afternoon, everyone. Today is day 3 of Swagmas. And what we're going to be doing on day 3, we're going to do a candle swag. So what we're going to do is take a candle and make a swag out of it. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to try to do it anyway, okay? Swagmas is hosted by At Home with Lisa, Design and Lifestyle with Teresa, and myself, Design with Emma. After me, Teresa will be coming on, and after Teresa will be Lisa. So let's get started. I'm gonna do this one in a yellow and orange, and so I have the yellow flowers here that I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna use orange and probably some whites. I don't know for sure. And then I may use some baby breaths in it. We'll have to see as we go along, okay? This is also day 3, which day 3 is our giveaway, so I will be doing a giveaway at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. As I said, I've never done a candle swag before. So we're gonna do this together and see how it turns out. Okay, so let's get started. What I'm gonna do first here, I'm gonna take my phone and I'm gonna glue it here on my plate right here beside my candle. So let's get it glued. And I'm gonna put quite a bit because I want to make sure it is steady. So I'm gonna hold this a minute. Okay, so that is glued there. We have a candle here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna start adding to it. And I'm gonna use one of these big beautiful flowers in the top here. I should have cut it down a little more, but I didn't. Let's cut this down a little. Thinking the stem is too long on it, so I'm gonna cut this down. Here in Kentucky, it's Derby Day, so everyone is out getting their hats ready, getting ready for derby parties and so on. Okay, so I'm gonna use that yellow one there. And here on the bottom, this is gonna be yellow and orange, okay? So here around the side of it, I'm gonna be placing some orange flowers. Again, I will be gluing it. And you all be careful with the glue because as you all know, before when I was gluing it, I did get burned. So I'm gonna go around, all the way around, and do my orange and yellow flowers. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually alternate the yellow and orange. Put that over there so you all can see. Now, on the bottom here, I'm also gonna put one of my yellow flowers. I think I want it to go on the bottom. We're gonna see. Let's go ahead and place our yellow and orange flowers around the bottom. Okay. Can you all see that? Gonna let you all go ahead. You can be listening to the music as I go ahead and go all the way around the plate with our yellow and orange flowers. Again, at the end, I will be doing the giveaway. So you all make sure you stay tuned till the end. And I'll let you all see how that is looking. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep going and put the orange and the yellow around the plate. Okay, so as you can see, I went all the way around the bottom and I placed the orange, the yellow, and the mixed orange and yellow around the bottom of the plate. So now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add like a couple of pieces of greenery to make it look like it's a swag. So let's do that next. Let me find my materials ahead. Okay. So what I've done, I went all the way around my plate and added my orange and yellow flowers. On the side here, I have placed the other yellow and some greenery, okay? So what we're gonna do now, where we have the foam here, we're gonna just put our yellow and orange flowers. So let's go ahead and get that filled in. Again, after me will be Lifestyle and Design with Teresa. You all make sure you stay around and check out her candle swag and also At Home with Lisa. Again, I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on Swagmas, because as you well know, without you, we could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. So I'm going, as you can see, I filled in this side, and now I'm going to the back and fill in the back of the foam. And all I'm doing is just taking my flowers and just punching them into the foam. And as you all know, I did tell you I was going to use the orange and the yellow on my deck, so that's the reason we're using the colors of orange and yellow. So I'm gonna fill the back of this in real good. I don't want any spaces where, as you can see, my foam. And when you're doing this, you may want to cut the stems a little shorter. That way it'll be easier for you to stick it into the foam. I'm just trying to find any spaces where you may see the foam and fill it in. Again, I want to thank At Home with Lisa for creating Must. I also want to thank Design and Lifestyle with Teresa for inviting me to be a part of Swagmas. So we're going to go ahead and finish putting the flowers on here. I'm going to move this yellow back a little so I can go ahead and go down the side here, okay? So that's all I'm doing, is going down this side with the flowers. And I may not should have cut those stems so close, whereas it would have been a little easier for me to push it in. And what I'm doing, I'm getting the fullness of it here, okay? So I'm gonna add a couple of more flowers to it. Oops. I want to push that one in. So I'll let you all see how it's looking. I'm gonna add some more greenery here to it. Just feel like I need a little more green in it. There we go. So I'm gonna put a little more green in it to try to bring this out to give it that swag look, okay? So that's what I'm doing with the greenery. Okay. So now I'm finished with it. I'm gonna let you all take a look at it. I did add the greenery to it. Okay, I'll pull it back so you can see the bottom of it. Okay. Again, I want to thank the design family for coming along with us on this Swagmas. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask again that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and be a part of my family. We would love to have you. I also want to thank At Home with Lisa and Lifestyle and Design with Teresa for inviting me to be a part of Blessmas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you the reveal when I come back, and we'll also go ahead and do our giveaway. Okay, everyone, this is the reveal. I'll let you all go ahead and take a look at it. I actually think it turned out beautifully. Again, I want to thank At Home with Lisa and Lifestyle and Design with Teresa for letting me join them on Swagmas Day 3. Also, again, I want to thank the design family because, as you know, without you, I could not do this. So, again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I will ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing the drawing, and I will put the winner in the chat. I also want to thank each and every one of you for joining us on Swagmas, because as you well know, without you, we could not do this. So again, I say thank you. So let's go ahead and draw and see who the winner will be. If you are the winner, please drop me your Cash App in Instagram or below. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.